Yeah.
This is the Colonel with you again. We got a little something we gotta sell. I've had this open before just to look at it. Can you get that?
Yeah, if you quit wiggling it. Okay, got it.
Yeah. These have been put away in the safe for a long time, couple years. Here's the COA. You see that, Alice? Alice is with me today. Say hello, Alice.
Hello. Okay, go.
Okay. I don't know if these are, they might have been first strikes or early release. Like a dumbass, I never sent them in.
Don't say yes.
Don't, I'm sorry. I apologize, folks. But these are beautiful. These are beautiful. See if you can get a nice shot of them.
That one's not
Want to
coming
see
in.
the other side? I've never had these out of the box before, folks.
I can't focus on them.
Okay. We'll
Turn off the light.
How about turn off the light again?
What the hell's red? My finger. Nope. I have no idea.
Well,
Get.
here, we're going to take them out and put them on the table, folks. I don't know, this box does something tricky. Oh, that's what it flips upside down. Here. Oh, shit, one just fell out. Here we go. We'll lay them on the table. Get a better shot of them that way.
Next. It's still a bad picture. Go.
Yeah, here's the other one. We got these up for sale. Really nice coins. I'd like to get $175. That's to the door. I'll ship them to you.
I thought they were more than that.
2-day priority mail.
I thought they were more than that.
Beautiful coins. Should have had them graded. That's my fault. Okay, folks. That's about it. $175 to you. Alice says she wants more. I'm selling them for $175. Here they are. 2012 American Silver Eagle San Francisco 2-coin silver proof set. $175. Got a good shot of that, Alice?
Yep.
Okay.
Say goodnight, Alice.
Say goodnight, Alice.
Good night.